Tire inflator pump use operation video. First, open the package. To take out of the quick operation guide, the user manual. Take out the air pump. Take out water energy treasure. Remove the power bank decorative ring counterclockwise. Align the contact of the power bank with that of air pump. Rotate it clockwise to connect. And align the contact of the power bank with designated icon on the air pump. Then take out the gas tube. Rotate it clockwise to connect it to the air pump. Press the power switch, and the digital display screen will light up. Press RT to switch the inflation mode. There are 4 modes in sequence: bicycle, motorcycle, car and ball. It will start under car mode by default, with the default value of 2.5 bar. Press the plus key to increase the unit value. Press the minus key to decrease. Connect the other end of the gas tube to the inflating valve of tire. Press the pressure nozzle to lock it. And then press the air pump start key. Then, the air pump will start to inflate. After the air pump reaches the set tire pressure, it will stop inflation automatically. When inflating at night, turn on the light, and the adapter can be used to inflate other objects. When no power bank is available, or the power bank is short of power, plug one end of the cigarette lighter cable into the DC port of the air pump, and the other end into the car cigarette lighter. Then, it can be used with wired power supply. Power battery use operation video. When the power bank is short of power, use the Type-C data cable to charge it. Plug the other end into a universal charger USB port of mobile phone, and it will start charging. When charging, the light indicating the current battery will flicker, and the 3 indicator lights will be on after fully charged. It can also be charged through USB interface in the car. When using the power bank, turn on the power switch first. The USB output function can charge a variety of digital products, and also supports fast charging for mobile phones. Power bank DC port can charge a variety of vehicle electrical appliances. Insert the DC plug of the adapter cable into the DC socket, and insert the plug of vehicle electrical appliance into the adapter. And then it can charge the appliance. 132B and 192B power banks have wireless charging function for mobile phones. Power bank can charge vehicle electrical appliances, tablet computers, and mobile phones simultaneously. Do not touch metal or other conductive objects to the 2 output contacts of the energy bank to avoid short circuit and damage. Charging method of 60 power bank. The DC socket on the 60 power bank can only charge itself. Plug the dedicated DC charging cable into the DC jack, and plug the other end into the USB charger port, and then it will start charging. Glare flashlight use operation video. Take out the portable car light. Remove the lampshade. Take out water energy treasure. Remove the power bank decorative ring counterclockwise. Then align the contact of the power bank with that of the portable car lights. Rotate it clockwise to make the contact of the power bank align with the designated icon on the car light. Turn on power switch. Portable lamp has 5 gears in total. Press it within 2.5 seconds to next gear in sequence. The gear sequence is high brightness mode, medium brightness mode, low brightness mode, fast flash mode, and SOS mode. Make the front part of machine extend forward to adjust aperture size and lighting distance of light. The smaller the aperture, the farther the irradiation distance. The larger the aperture, the wider the irradiation area. with a special lampshade. It can be used as a lamp. The built-in British 1/4-nut interface on the body can be connected to an optional tripod. Tighten the screw clockwise to start using. Pull the handle to move to adjust the irradiation angle. When no power bank is available, or the power bank is short of power, plug one end of the cigarette lighter cable into the DC port of the portable car light, and the other into the car cigarette lighter. Then, it can be used with wired power supply. Car washer use operation video. And the car washer. Then take out the gun and rotate it clockwise to connect car washer. Take out water inlet port of car washer. Rotate it clockwise to connect water inlet interface of the car washer. Take out water energy treasure. Remove the power bank decorative ring counterclockwise. Align the contact of power bank with that of car washer. Rotate clockwise for connection and make the contact of power bank align with the designated icon on car washer. Take out water pipe. Pull down the adapter to connect the car washer. Take out the water bag. And put one end with the filter into water. Turn on power switch of the power bank. Press the switch of the car washer, and then it will start working. When using for the first time, you are recommended to lower the car washer to work for a few seconds. Water can be discharged after exhausting the air in the water pipe. The red spray nozzle is of direct spray type, with stronger water pressure impact. The white spray nozzle is of fan-shaped type, with water pressure covering a larger washing area. The foam watering can could spray a lot of foams. How to replace car washer spray nozzle? Press the copper connector and pull it down to remove the red spray nozzle easily. Press the copper connector and pull it down to install the white spray nozzle. Install the foam watering can using the same way. When no power bank is available, or the power bank is short of power, insert one end of the cigarette lighter cable into the DC port of the car washer, and the other end into car cigarette lighter. Then, it can be used with wired power supply. Vacuum cleaner use operation video. Take out the dust collector. Take out water energy treasure. Remove the power bank decorative ring counterclockwise. Align the contact of the dust collector with that of the power bank. Rotate it clockwise to align the contact of the power bank with that of dust collector. Press the power switch of the power bank, and the power light will be on. Press the dust collector switch again, and the dust collector will start to work. Display of dust collector working status. After use, remove the dust hood counterclockwise. Remove filter element to remove wastes inside the hood. Then install dust hood clockwise, and align the contact the dust hood with that of the dust collector. When cleaning the corners, use it with an extended pipe and a brush. When no power bank is available or the power bank is short of power, the cigarette lighter cable can be used for charging. Plug one end of cable into the DC interface of power bank and the other into the cigarette lighter to charge. Mobile phone stands use operation video. While using, please turn on the power switch of power bank first. Remove the power bank decorative ring counterclockwise. Take out the mobile phone holder. Align the card points on the power bank with the card slot of the mobile phone holder, and rotate it clockwise for connection. Put the phone in the phone holder to start wireless charging. If it is used in a car, the mobile phone holder can be placed in the cup base.